Yo, how's it going, Huffman? Nice to see you live again. Thank you. How'd you sleep? Well, I hope. Sorry you didn't say bye. No worries. All is well. Let's sleep. Dang. Alright, so I think we got a decent amount done yesterday. I think we're gonna do more level design today. Cause, you know, it's what's the most fun nowadays anyway. Yeah, we have to update some of these rooms for sure. I did draw some rooms too on my notebook before bed. I think it's nice to switch like what medium you use for like, I don't know, ideas, because like sometimes, you know, I draw rooms in the editor, but then sometimes I draw them on paper, and I feel like it might help with like just brainstorming. Really like New Flames, thank you. It's a combination of particles and the texture. The base is using the texture, and then we use particles on top of it. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm wondering if we're gonna have to do some shenanigans with like, I mean, it shouldn't be too hard on the it's using the CPU. I think it'll be fine though. Well, we could also do, I'm trying to think, because we... Okay, I mean, we don't need these to be here. Alright, we'll figure it out. So let me get rid of this and this. Thinking of redoing the last mage, I have some really cool ideas to make the game better. I saw you made an update. Yeah, I assume you made the update to make the game easier, but I'm not sure. It would be cool, because I feel like the combat in your game was like one of the main mechanics of it, and I remember when I played it, I wasn't able to experience that part of it. What do you plan on doing with that? I think I downloaded the new update. I don't think I played it though. Let me see. I remember downloading something, but I don't remember. I downloaded this, but I wonder if this is the same last mage from before. No, I think it is a new one. 905. 21. 21st was a Friday. Yeah, I downloaded. I assume this is the most recent one that you uploaded. Gave the player some crystals at the beginning to upgrade it. Also made the production of everything about 40% fast. Oh, nice. I think that is a good fix. But yeah, balancing is very difficult. I wouldn't know too much, like, because I haven't made too many games with like numbers involved. So I wouldn't know. Alright, I'm also thinking, so right here, these are, I might change this to red flames. To add some more puzzle elements to this. We're gonna add this to the group. Also, wait, I want to see something. We could technically leave it like this. Like the whole point of the new rooms, I mean, we have such a huge gap here, but technically, so what I was thinking of doing was actually adding a new, like, you see how these are on top of each other? We could technically, see how this is blocking the entrance? We could technically start doing something where, let me see. I think we could technically do this. But I was thinking of actually adding a mechanic where we can mess with the size. But I wonder if that would screw up the rest of the gameplay. I feel like there should be a minimum size, and then we call it there. Making it slightly larger could be beneficial for level design, because that way we have like 3, and then I mean this is already good. Like you can't technically get through here, but we'll have to mess with it some more. That means that this would have to be like this, which I mean is fine. Three tiles is relatively good. You have 3K. I just refilled my thermos too. Okay. Let me see. Let's see how this looks with the design like this. You're gonna drink a lot today? Alrighty. Sounds good. I do need to stay hydrated anyway. Okay. Trying to think. We can make this a different color, and I feel like I should. Maybe make these green and then this one blue, or this blue and this green. Let's try it out. Do. Blue. Green. Do. Oh, and this one also has to be... I'm trying to think. Could we actually make this work in some way where there's another puzzle element to this? I don't think so. I think we just have to make this part of group 2. Or sorry, part of group 1. Alrighty. Boom, boom, boom. Do. Okay. I'm gonna try my best to finish all of these rooms today, or like as soon as possible. Okay, so let's see. This one, definitely, what I think we'll do is we'll actually replace each of these with the... Should I do that? Replace each of these with the correct color. So you would like dash into this. So these... I might get rid of this. Alright, let's get... Let's see. Gonna get rid of these flames. They turn off this. We get across here. This would be blue, green, and then purple. We could do. Or we can do... Yeah, let's try it out. So this one, and this one will be part of group 1. This one will be... Or we can do this and all of these could be a part of group 2. And the rest is part of the the final group. We're gonna have to set this to 0. Going to delete these springs here. Put this one here. Which one do we need? This is part of 2, I believe. Let me just duplicate and put this here. What is it? 2? That's 2, and then this will be 3. And these will all be 3. What the hell? How do I select? Oh, there we go. I'm planning on focusing more on the fighting aspect and leveling up your skills by building stuff. So buildings give you special ability in the fight, and you place this, and and if you place this and building together, you get a special bonus. I see. So the fighting is the main. Oh, okay. So yeah, it felt like originally it felt like the building was the main focus, but now the fighting. So then I feel like maybe trying to think. If fighting is your main focus, then I feel like what you should do is reward the fighting into your building. You know what I mean? Like, because right now the building is what gets you to get better skills. I mean, you could do both, like what's it called? Yeah, you get what I'm saying. So the better you do in the fighting, the more you can build. The more you can progress. Okay, so honestly I don't like the way this room looks. It's pretty basic, but you know, I'm trying to think. This turns off this. I'll figure it out in time. The rooms work. We could even add an extra valve right here and do like we'll work on it tomorrow and see how it feels. Alright, that sounds good. This room needs some fixing up. So right now you dash down and like honestly this room is pretty trash in my opinion. My English is sleeping at the moment. No, you're good. I think I've gotten used to the spelling, so no worries there. English is a confusing language anyway. There's too much stuff going on in it that makes no sense. So you dash down, red. There's really no point of this section here. What can we do here? What can we do? Quick. I might just, maybe I should just remove everything here, and I do have some other concepts. We can just remove this one altogether and design something completely different. I think that's what I might go ahead with. Also, how's it going, Jack? Good morning. Oh, you're up pretty early. Do you usually... I'm trying to think. Are you usually up when I stream in the morning, or are you usually up when I stream in the afternoon? It's 5:30. Wait, oh yeah, it's 5:30 for you. I always think you're both? Okay, wow, you have a pretty healthy schedule then, unlike me. Just have you in the background? Right. No, yeah, I assumed, but I was just like, dang. If I wasn't streaming, I would love to wake up that early, like on a normal basis. And you're 6, but you're 6 hours ahead, right? So it's 6:30 for you, 5:30 for Jack. It's hard to remember everyone's time zones. Let me see. I think everyone is either in the UK, in Germany, or in Israel. Israel time. Wait, what? Israel is 7:25 right now? Oh, so Israel is only 7. Okay. I you know what? I thought it was much. I guess that makes sense. Once we have daylight savings, it's probably gonna change. I'm about to go to sleep in 3 to 4 or 3. Oh. So I see. So your sleeping schedule is actually just as crazy as mine, because that's usually when I go to sleep too. Well, 3 to 4 hours from your time, so like around 8 or 9 a.m. is when I sleep. What is this? Tile set doesn't have a tile with ID yet. What the hell? I'm gonna ignore it for now. You guys go to sleep? Yeah, what is sleep anyways? Alright, so wait, let me grab my notebook. I drew some basic rooms. Like I said, I like using different mediums for brainstorming mechanics and level design, just because it's just you get different ideas that way. The one that I do have, let me see if I can mimic it easily. So we have a red and a blue spring, and all right, this is actually sort of a replication of the one that we did before. Have you seen the NPC female who makes 7K a day? Yes, I have. The one who goes gang gang, that one. I was gonna say my long lost NPC. Yeah, I've seen her. Oh my god, it's crazy. The content that's on TikTok. It's sort of like, it's crazy how like it's such low tier, low tier content, and yet it's doing so well. Makes me rethink, or it makes me think like, hey, what the hell am I doing with my life? All you have to do is make, silly content, and you can be a millionaire. I didn't know she was making 7K though. I thought it was I thought it was 4K, which either way, that's a lot of money, regardless how much money you're making. If it's 4K or if it's 7K per stream, I'm making maybe $1, maybe less probably. I'm losing money streaming actually, because obviously utilities and stuff. But I'm not really paying the bills for it, so it's not really. Can't say I'm actually. But yeah, the moment when you make money, I ask for mod payment, just so you know. If I make a decent amount of money, wouldn't mind paying mods. But I will say don't ever count on it, just cause It's probably very unlikely. No, being in your basement is good as payment. Alright, let's see. So I was just thinking of doing. Let's see if this works. Actually, I think this would be better in one of the previous rooms rather than this one, so we might move things around. Might bring this closer. This is a pretty basic room, but it actually works kind of nice. Let's see. Started my indie game dev journey, and the day I started my indie game journey, I've not been paid for 8 years. Yeah. That's the way it is. I don't know. It's a saturated market, but it's also the most fun, I gotta say. I wouldn't as much as I would like to be, a millionaire. I really enjoy game development, so I can't say I'm jealous of the, on the surface, you can show some jealous. I don't know if jealousy is the right word for it, because it's I don't really envy that. It's that type of content, It's oh. But what am I trying to say here? I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore. God damn, you weren't kidding about using all the hydrates. Actually, I'm gonna leave it like this. give me 1 second. Offended badly, unfollowed. Thank you for the follow. I hope to keep you unoffended. Maybe I would like to offend you, so you can fulfill your purpose. So yeah, I was thinking, I mean, oh, wait, we can't even get across. Or we can't even dash into this without, let me see. I guess you would have to go for the first one. And then do that. So far, so good. Could do that. So you would, it means you would have to go, let me see. Oh wait, you can? Wait, let me try that again. You can do it. We could also bring it one tile lower, or we could bring it like over here. So you could put one right there and then one right there. Or we could put both on the opposite side. So that the entrance is like here, and I guess we could, I'm trying to think, should we, one is here, one is here. Actually, yeah, let's see if that works. So I'll hydrate. I might just get a cup. So I have to keep opening my thermos. I'll be right back. Okay. All right, yeah, we'll put the springs on the opposite side. Okay. Let's see. Let's bring our player closer to that room so we don't have to keep playtesting the same rooms over and over. Oh, this is... I thought this was one of the later rooms. It's relatively early. We do showcase some of the mechanic. It would be nice to showcase this mechanic earlier, so I might actually plug this one here. And this one goes... The next one goes this way, so we can actually make this work. So yeah, I think we're gonna move this in just a second. But here, wait. I'm gonna try rotating these 270 degrees. Yeah, the only issue is that they are kind of separated now. You would have to go for the first one. Let me see, can we bring these closer? Gotta make sure you can reach it. And I'd probably want to put like flames or something on the bottom here. We'll see. Can't even reach it. Oh my god. What could I do? I guess we could technically just make a, instead of putting 2, we could just put 1, and then the player has to dash through. Might just do that. Alright. So the entrance would look like that. Looks kind of whack to me. We could separate it by 1 more tile. And the player would be able to technically dash through, but I don't think they'd be able to get through the entire thing. So it could be fine. And we could also always just add more. Let's see. Or you could do that. Trying to think. Alright, so here's option 1. Oh. And you go through, or you can do option 2, which you can't actually reach it unless you do some coyote jumping. You could also just bring this platform closer. We could even put this for fun. And then put some scaffolding. Do. So we could do that. I wanted to fix our light nodes. I want to do like an entire light node update pretty soon. Also, wait, I forgot. Do I have to put it here? We'll find out in just a second. Also, I forgot which one it is for the time up. I think we do 1 tile higher, but let me see. Oh, what the hell? What the frick? We'll see what happens in game. It seems like we have to put it Yeah, it seems like I have to put it here, but it didn't seem to work when I did this. Let's try that again. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, and this is the other thing that's slightly annoying, is that, like, technically you can hit this. But this is the entrance right here. So what I might also do is maybe start the flames 1 tile over and in the ground here. Oh, wait. Maybe we can bring this one, we can even bring it higher. Let's see. What the? Oh my god. Do. Alrighty. This room, I don't know if I like it. but I also want to just speed run this. Okay. Here. Do something like that. This part, I wonder, I could bring this up 1 or 2 or 1. Kind of like the idea of this maybe having its own little section. Yeah, they do look a little odd. But what we could also potentially do is we could bring this section back a little bit, like much more back, and we could bring these forward a bit, have them have their like own section. Like, let's see, something like this. And then the flames are like a little bit further in. Optimization. Thank you. Looks clean. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, we've been trying to focus on adding like making the game look juicy and all that jazz. Alright, so oh my god, we're running out of actually we might push this more to the right because we do have a lot of space here too. Yeah, I'll do one more tile here. Let's get rid of the background. Sorry, the scaffolding. Auto tile 2. Just bring this down by like 4. See how this plays. Dude, there are like bugs everywhere. That's right, I left. The bugs started to come. And they want to crawl up my feet for some reason. Boom, boom. I mean, it works. It's not a cool room. But we could leave it the way it is. I'll probably put spikes on the bottom there. And we want 2 valves just to reset anything that we could put like a secret here too, because there's so much empty space. And I mean, it's just a room to showcase the mechanic. Or showcase the potential puzzling in the game. We could also raise this a bit. That way we're not like going down into the floor to dash into it. So here, let's do this. Ooh. What the? Boom, boom, boom. We have to update our spikes eventually. These don't look nearly as cool as the other spikes in our game. could bring this up by 1 tile. Okay, cool. I'll leave it like that. I'm also thinking we'll probably push this room here. Or wait. Yeah, we could do this. Where's our player? There he is. Alright, let's do a quick playtest of all of these rooms. Yeah, how's it going, Tomer? Good morning. Okay, so our hitbox is kind of screwed here. I guess we could raise, or we let the player wait for like a split second. Or what we could do is stretch it out a bit, where we put the platform horizontally to the right. Then the player would have to like dash outwards, or dash back in. Let me see if that's even possible to. We don't have too much space to make this work. Because we would need an extra tile here. But yeah, let's see. Wait, it might actually work just by putting one here, one here. Yo, how's it going, Red Kevin? That room handling looks pretty neat. And good morning. Yeah, thank you. You're talking about like when I how like they're kind of modular, like I can just move them around. All right, let's push our player to that room. So yeah, this, I think I like the original more. It felt cleaner. This one you have to like, there's like more friction with it. You have to like, and it's slow too. Unless we can figure out, let me think, what would be a cool way to do this? We put another spring like that, and then there's potential, but I think we'll save it for, I think we can make something really cool out of like doing it this way, and then we put another spring on the side here. But I'm gonna save that for another mechanic. I'm trying to think. Maybe we don't have to make it full, like a full tile, or give it its own full tile. Do this. As long as you hit this area 2D, it'll be fine. the layout of the rooms. Easy to see what comes after the other. Right. Yeah. So yeah, this technically works. The only issue is that the way we handle like collisions, like if you dash into springs, we reset the player's position. So, for like a regular player, this might look odd to them. Especially since we're like dashing into it like halfway through. For springs, it's okay because the entire area 2D is exposed, so it's not a problem. But for this one, it looks kind of weird. So what could we do? We could put a spring here instead, and then we put the green spring on the right. So you like dash into this, dash on the right, then dash into this, then dash on to the right. That's one option. What else could we do? Also, I feel like maybe we should just do 2 and 2. Like instead of, it's a little uneven. We have 2 here, then like a random number here, and then another random number here. We should do 2, 2, and 2. This could, yeah. Let's try to figure this out. What the hell happened here? The animation isn't playing. I think it'll play once we reset. Because also, wait, this one... Oh, interesting. Let me see. If I delete this and... Yeah, whenever we duplicate these nodes, we get an error. Like, technically we get an error, but then we do rerun it on the ready, and it's fine afterwards. Also, Mingok25A, thank you. Minungok. Trying to think, what could we do? We have so much space on the left, so we could push this more to the left. Push this spring to go to the right. We could also make this grow vertically higher. So we could do... Here, let me see. How much space do we have? We could do the same exact thing and then keep it at its appropriate height. So we could keep it here, I think. We just have to make sure the height of this one matches the... Yeah, let's see. It's usually 6 tiles, so... The first one is the most important. Let me see. So I think this looks a little better. Oh, what? What are your points? You know, the closer the cup gets to empty, I'm drinking less and less. Okay. We could keep adding more flames, or we could actually. I think we could just bring this closer. I think this might need to be one tile lower. The like the entire thing has to be one tile lower. I'm also curious, will we die if we dash too late? I would like for that to happen. But the hitbox is pretty high. Oh, it seems like it's impossible. You just spam it and you'll survive. But I guess maybe it's a timing thing. We'll leave it the way it is for now. We could even add the red color if we want. Well, if we really wanted to. Since we have so much space. Oh, shit. This room isn't creative at all. This one, it's a little better. This one now forces you to go across. Oh, wait, what? This is blue? You can't have that. It needs to be green. Okay. And Wait, what the hell was that? There was like an invisible, you know what it must have been? We must have like wait, what? How is it even possible? There was like flame over on this side. They were going... Don't know what the hell that was about. Do 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 do. Let's try that again. I'll just bring our player to this room. I think all of the rooms are good though. Love the screen check. Yeah, the screen check is nice. I agree. Shit. What? What is that? Why is that there? How's that even possible? They're there for a split second and then they disappear. See something. Do we have fireboxes in this room? No. Huh. I assume there must be something happening in one of our scenes where we have like a firebox, maybe like something invisible. I'm trying to think what could possibly be causing that. It's like we don't see anything in the scene here, but there is flames. Maybe, yeah, the previous room is this one. Maybe it could be, let's see, this one. I mean, that's what would cause the problem. But the thing is, they would also, the flames would also show. I don't do anything to like queue free. Trying to think if I like put this. Here, wait, let me move this room real quick and put this one instead and see what happens. Yeah, it could be the previous. I would assume it's the previous room, but I've never seen that before. Alright, so yeah, nothing happens here, so yeah, it has to be whatever's going on in this room. And to double check, let's try this. We'll put this room back. Do. And then put this room. We need to hydrate. We'll find out right now. Oh, what the hell is that? And then there was another one right there too. Two left pointing ones. I don't even remember having that. Interesting. Yeah, but it is from this room. Let's see. We don't set any of them to invisible unless there's like a hidden firebox somewhere. Let's find out. Do. Yeah, these are all our fireboxes. Wait, there's one here that's not invisible. Oh, that's this one. Apparently there's like some over here, something like that. Oh! Let me see. Maybe it's a child of the room? No. Maybe it has to do with the fact that it's not on the origin. This room isn't on the origin. It's one of the only rooms that aren't on the origin. Here, wait, let me do this again. We'll see if any rooms, any nodes exist, any fireboxes exist. Oh shit, oh shit. Everything is invisible. I don't know where I'm going, but we'll figure it out. Oh shit. Oh, where are the flames? Okay, so it seems like one of the flames back there are the ones that are causing problems. Like we set all of them to invisible. Here, so let's do that again. Let's set them back to visible. What the hell? It would... I assume it would have to be one of these. Or like, yeah, these no... The particles are they're not local. But I feel like that's maybe like a visual bug or something. I don't know. Like, I mean, not a... I can only think it's like maybe a Godot bug rather than a... like something that I did, but I'm not entirely sure. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So we're seeing these. What the? How is that even possible? The animation player, yeah, it's replicating what's back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it play? It never plays again though, so that's interesting. Oh, I did want to... Wait, I did want to run it one more time and see what's happening with it. Like, if there are... Hopefully, I don't think there are going to be any nodes there, but I just want to double check. Whoops. This is room... Is it room 180? Which room was that? Probably 129. Traps? There, wait! Yeah, wait, what the hell? Rooms... Oh wait, no, this was for room 180. Okay, so we have Firebox 109. It goes... Oh, there's so many random ones. 69, 83... to 109. How is that even possible that they're on? Let me see. Godot. Godot. Doesn't seem like it's a bug. I think yeah. If we moved everything back to the it seems like this is the only room that's causing that problem. We do have what is this? Pressure plate relative to blah blah blah. Oh, you know what it could be? Wait a second. Do we have any other? No. I was gonna say it could be another room switcher bug, but it doesn't seem like that's the problem. Does the bug happen if I put this room first? Yeah, it does. Okay. Interesting. Huh. And it looks like it's... Wait, let me see what the hell this... Node not found, traps firebox 24 relative to blah blah blah. Editor node, root editor node. Room 176. Oh wait, this is room 176. Pressure plate spring. I mean, I could just move everything to the left, but it's so weird. Like, why the hell is that happening? Doesn't make any sense. It's from these nodes right here. We could set them all to invisible maybe, but yeah. The fact that they're... Like here, wait, I just want to make sure it is these nodes. I'm going to make like 2 of them invisible. Or, yeah, let's make these top 2 invisible. And see if that... If it's actually those nodes. Yeah, okay, what the hell? What the hell? Let's see, let's go into our fireboxes. Let me see what the hell it doesn't make any sense why this would happen. It's not like we ever move the global position of these nodes. Let me see, position dot y plus equals 4. Yeah, that wouldn't do anything. Unless, wait a second. Maybe the origin? Something got messed up with the origin of this node? Which one was it? Of like our traps node. Let me see. Transform. Position. Transform position. Seems like it's fine. Yeah, I'm gonna try one more thing, and that's just to bring everything over to the origin. Okay. I think this will probably fix all of our problems. I'm just so confused. I don't know why that would happen. Okay. Thank you. Can I get across? Oh, what? Oh, right. Oh, it seemed like it fixed though. We don't see that bug anymore. But wait, we messed up our. Let me see what the hell is going on. That means, well, it's not game breaking, but like it's a little confusing because there might be other rooms, like especially there. Sometimes we have issues, or not issues, but like basically sometimes our rooms are higher on the y. Like sometimes our rooms just don't start on the origin, and this was an example of one of those rooms. So I don't usually like design, like I usually put rooms on the origin, but like I liked to like I remember programming or like coding each of our rooms to not like to handle it not being on the origin. I think I designed a few rooms that weren't. Most of the time it does work, but yeah, interesting. Grand Garbage, thank you for the follow. So I guess yeah, we'll just fix this. It's only slightly concerning. It's not like a big deal, and maybe we could figure it out if I explored it long enough. Like we know it's these nodes right here that are playing the animation in the next room, and for some odd reason it's because the origin is off. Very weird. Where are the other fireboxes? I thought we had a few here. Did I delete them instead of hiding them? Is that what I did? Firebox. Seems that's what happened. Okay. A quick solution would be, if you're not in the room, just hide everything. But I mean, yeah, we could do that. If you're not in the room, just hide the next room over, and then just set it to visible afterwards. Wait, let me just make sure. I'm trying to think what else could have caused this to happen. Also, what the hell? What is this? What are these flames? Why are there two? Oh, I moved them. I must have forgotten to move them. There we go. There we go. Boom, 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 boom. The background auto tile, let's just fix that. The spikes, let's fix. Let's fix how this room looked. This section here. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I see. When we hit everything and we tried moving it to the left, that's why there's like random nodes there. We could, I'm trying to think, we could push this closer here. Or like that. Same with, or this one we can just bring closer. Boo-doo-doo-doo. Okay. Spikes we could put down here. Oh god, that looks disgusting. The whatever we did there. Sorry, I assumed we fixed it. I actually didn't check if we fixed the problem, but I think we did. We'll try it one more time. Let me just make sure let's fix this little section right here. What is today? It's Wednesday. People are like out and about right now. 1:23. Oh, what's wrong with this? Did it always look like this? Did it always look like... I feel like maybe... Let me see. What the hell's going on here? Just leave it the way it is for now. Yeah, this little section right here looks kind of odd. You know, technically, we could get rid of this and just leave it like that. Get rid of this this fire altogether. Make the player have to dash the entire thing. Oh wait, yeah, I think we update it to go across. We could even do some crazy stuff like this. Hopefully, it doesn't mess with the hitboxes though. I want to make sure the player doesn't enter the like slide state or anything like that. Let's see. What the hell? What's going on? Oh, there we go. There we go. We can also get rid of some of this fire is a little redundant. Like we don't need all of this stuff spamming everywhere. To be honest, you know, another thing that makes like is weird for me is that it was only the left tiles. Like it was only these that we were seeing. It was a very strange bug. Maybe it has to do with like these being, I have no idea. Maybe like they're older versions or like the group wasn't set properly. Yeah, it was a very strange bug. Hopefully it never happens again. I'm also thinking, like, what could we do about... I guess this is fine the way it is. Bum, 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 bum. I'm trying to think, we also don't really... the fire there is kind of cool. But there's also not that much space. Like this looks a little like maybe we can reduce the space here. I'm trying to think. Or let me see. So we could do something like that. You dash across, hit this. 1K to go. 1.3K. Let's I think it would be cool if we push this more, like if we gave it some more space, so maybe I should get rid of some more tiles here. You know, what we could do as well is just leave it like this. Fill this up and just have it so that it's blocking out this area. And that way, it wouldn't even be that much. Like, it could look like this. I put this one here. Yeah, I feel like sometimes I get a little too excited with how many tiles we're using, or what am I trying to say? Like the flames. Like I'm like, oh, let's just put flames everywhere. I mean, it looks good, but it can be redundant, and I don't know if that's like a good. I don't know if that's a bad thing. Oh shit. Okay. This is also a little too. It's too much going. It's a little too time sensitive. Adding another tile down here made it kind of easier. It's still possible, but it is a little quick. Let me see what can we do here. Give me 1 second. Dude, there's like a bug around here. I'm trying to find it. It's like, it keeps crawling on my leg and then running away. Oh, what the? Did you see that? Did I just see a flame again? Oh no. Oh my god, it's there again! Why is it there? What the hell could be causing that? Loading textures, maybe? We do load textures on the ready. But I mean, it's not like they're added to. I don't think they're added. Maybe they are. What? It's also very strange that it's only that one. Like it's only the left one. Let me see. I'm gonna try deleting that. Try deleting it and then adding it again. It was this one right here. Yeah, I'll duplicate it. Or you know what? I'm trying to think, what could I do? I'll just delete it. Duplicate this one. What the hell? You know, wait a second. I know exactly what this is. Oh my god. It's not a room bug. It's literally, I'll tell you right now what it is. It's freaking this. We have end fire and start fire. These two nodes right here. Forgot about these. We don't use them anymore. End fire, start fire. Might want to use them eventually. But I think for now I'm just gonna delete them. Let's see, start fire. Start and end. Let's just comment this out. There we go. God dang. God dang. All right. I'm glad we solved the problem though. What's this? Fire start. Just gonna comment this all out. It wouldn't be a bad idea to actually include this in the game. It's just if we could make it work with it'd be nice if we could make this work simply with the particles. It looks pretty good at the beginning. Let me see. They do start up immediately. What we could do on the... Let me see. If we go back into our firebox... for our animation player. For charge up, I'm just gonna push this closer to the beginning, and then that should just work. Yeah, it's not bad actually. I wonder if I should call it for the chapter 2 rooms, and we should go back into developing rooms for chapter 1. I'm sorry, chapter 4. What did I say developing? I mean designing rooms for chapter 4. Yeah, we might do that. Alrighty. Why are the 5 minutes so fast? I'm not sure. Time flies. Um, trying to think what's next. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna turn on the AC. It's getting hot. Do. All right, let's do a quick playthrough of all the rooms real quick. Obviously we need to make way more than just this. It's weird. I think these rooms are way more time consuming than any of the other rooms because there's a slight puzzle element to it, so like it takes longer for me to figure out what I need to do. I'm hoping that I'll get better at it, because it is, oh my god, it's kind of frustrating actually. If you like miss, oops. Cool. What you missed? We figured out what was causing the bug. It's because I removed the transition animations, or I didn't actually remove them. I just I wanted to ignore them for a while, so I actually just pushed them all the way down on the y-axis of the node. So like it just got all the way up to the next room. That's all you missed. And I think we're gonna call it for the chapter 2 rooms for now. And all of the next level designs are going to be based on chapter, or yeah, I'm going to be handling chapter 4 rooms now. Oh shit. Oh no, we're done. Will there be a new demo for chapter 2? Yeah, so when I update the game, yeah, it'll include chapter 2. It'll just include everything, so chapter 1, 2, any updates I make will include every chapter. Also, the eyeballs in chapter 1 are going to be pushed to this chapter. And yeah, we're gonna put it in this chapter. We're gonna also we're also gonna add way more enemies into this chapter. But yeah, I'm gonna save that for version 5. So all of that's gonna be. I might push the eyeballs into this room for the next version, but it won't be until next month that I actually start working on these rooms. And we're gonna be working on the mechanic of chapter 3. This chapter, I mean. Which will be, yeah, eyeballs attacking you and stuff. And we're gonna add the dash. I just said that. Let's see what else. Alrighty. So let me just open up Obsidian really quick. Rope swing. Save that for later. Double dash. No room. New rooms for chapter. This is like too vague. Yeah, let's do. Chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. I think we're basically done with chapter 2. Some puzzle mechanics and maybe rearrange, because we still have the green, like the spinning mechanic, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna remove that from the game. I'll keep it in there for now. For chapter 3, we're not going to do anything actually. We're going to go to chapter 4 and we're just going to say more levels, more rooms. We could even include chapter 2 mechanics in chapter 4. I think that'd be really cool. More rooms. More rooms, include chapter 2 mechanics. In chapter 1, I also want to add the reactive spikes. Remove eyeball. And add to chapter 3. Alright, I think that's it. So yeah, chapter 4 needs more rooms, include chapter 2 mechanics, and I guess include art. And include what is it called? Vines. Oops. And grass for chapter. Vines and grass. How many days? I want to make sure I'm not too ambitious here. We have, including today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more days. So yeah, I want to finish all of this in 6 days. I think doing the level design will definitely be easy or possible. We did this. Figure out the spinning orb mechanic. Add reactive spikes. Yeah, I would like to do some of this in chapter 1. I might even do it today in the next stream. We do need to add more rooms to chapter 1. Okay. Let's do the vines and grass right now for chapter 4. I think we did every chapter except for chapter 4. We don't have vines for chapter 3. Don't exactly know. Oh, but I actually do. Wait, let me see something. Do you mock up your UI with some design tool? No. It would be nice to, but yeah, I kind of winged the UI. Is it under my library? Do I own this asset? Maybe we have it here. Maybe I, also, wait, let me see something. Oh, yeah, I think this one is good. Oh! Trixelized, this was the asset that I used before. I wonder why it's not on their page. Fair enough, I have to because mine's a UI heavy one. Yeah. That's fair enough. I honestly I would love to explore making UI, but it's just it's kind of low priority because my game doesn't really rely on it. But I would like to one day. I like work. Personally, I actually like working on UI to make it look or feel good. You know. Okay. Let me see something. I don't seem to have it here, but I've seen the asset a bunch of times. Let me see. Bulkhead wall. What is this? This looks kind of cool, but it won't fit my game. But it looks cool. Let me see something. What did I want to look up? I wanted to look up cave, maybe. There was a specific asset that I know exactly what it's supposed to be. And I think it'll look decent in my game. Lava caves. Pixel art. I don't see it here though. It's literally not here. Was it not a cave? Maybe it was like dungeon? But it looked like a cave. I also remember like the thumbnail, so it shouldn't be too hard to find, but it seems like it's not here. Let's go through. It's under platformer. Yeah, this is also for chapter 3. I should maybe not worry about it, but here we are. Do 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 do. Burp 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 burp. Should be nearby. I can smell it. Come on, where is it? Ooh, what is this? This looks kind of cool. Dungeon platformer town set, pixel art. I like the chains. The spider webs kind of look cool. I mean, I'll download it. I don't think we'll use it, but I'll keep it. God damn, where is this? Oh, right here. Crater caverns. I was thinking of having something like this. Like these little, let me see. It's not that, it's not, oh, they also have this, which looks kind of cool too. Free to use for non-commercial. Oh. For non-commercial projects. Dang. I mean, we could try recreating something like this too. It's not too hard. Okay, well, plan has been, I guess, butchered. That's okay, though. We can make our... We still have, like, a bunch of other assets that we can use, especially for Chapter 4, so I'm going to do that right now. We also... I just realized I don't really use chains in the first room. We have, like, banners and stuff, and then chains were kind of ignored. I guess because we're in a library. So I can use those chains for Chapter 4. Just to add more to the aesthetic. Just trying to look through it to see if I can get any other ideas. I own this one. Yeah, we'll look through these assets. I'm pretty sure. All right. Did I say Chapter 3? I meant Chapter 4. I do need to do Chapter 3. I do need to add, like, vines to Chapter 3. But I'm not entirely... Like, I want them... It's, like, supposed to look like a mushroom biome, actually. So, I'm not entirely sure how mushrooms grow upside down. I don't think they do. Or maybe they do. But maybe we can also just reuse the vines and just make them purple. We'll see. But I'm also thinking we could maybe just make some other things up. Let me see. Upside down mushrooms. Can mushrooms grow upside down? Apparently yes. It's an Instagram post. Spores. On ceiling. Oh, that looks nasty. Okay. We'll look into it. Let me grab... What did I want to do? I wanted to go into... Do we have a frozen furniture? I don't think we have vines just yet for... We have the frozen tile set. We have the frozen chapter background auto tile. That's all we have. So I'm gonna open up GIMP and we'll just make a new one. There are some wall growing mushrooms. Yeah, I could put I do have some wall mushrooms. I'm still wondering what I could do for the ceiling. All right, new. We'll do 128 by 128. Usually our default is 16 by 16, so I'll do that. All right, so I think usually I open it, but let's see if we can find. We do have the asset here. Let's see, Run Blood. You know, I gotta say, I do like the new... I'll say one thing. I do like the way Explorer looks now on Windows 11. It does look cleaner. I'll give them that. Oh, this is the wrong one. Okay. Do we have anything that we want to use here? Oh, there's some cute mushrooms here too. Didn't even notice. I think we're using these already as well. This but yeah, what did I want again? I wanted frozen tiles, like something potential for frozen tiles, which I don't actually see. This sword looks kind of cool too. Would it look good in... I'm trying to think if it would look good in any of the chapters. I think it would only look good in chapter 2. We also have these like little veins. We can use this. It could kind of look like the frozen biome could look kind of like a oh, what the hell? What is that? Shit. Oh, we cut it out accidentally. The frozen biome could be like mines. It kind of looks like mines. So yeah, we could include some of these. I do like the candles actually. I was actually trying to consider. I was trying to figure out like how we could include candles into our light tile map. I mean, it wouldn't be that difficult, but I was wondering if there was a way to make. I remember setting up the lights. Oh, what is this? This kind of looks like mushrooms. I don't know what the hell it is though. Oh, and spiders. They kind of look cool. Yeah, these mushrooms look pretty cute. Where's the rest of this stuff? What is this? Looks like, I have no idea what this is. It looks cool though. Just don't know what it's supposed to be. Oh, and this looks like more. These kind of look like spores too. You can kind of include that in chapter 3. Snails? Oh, maybe you're right. They do kind of look like snails. But I would have thought maybe they would keep it with the other animals. Could also just be rocks. Or, worst case scenario, I'd probably just make them look like rocks. Let me see, is there anything else we want to include? This sword looks cool. Again, here, let's see. Let's open up the other tile map, actually. I forgot what I called it. Probably called it grass. Grass sprite sheet, grass decorations tile map. Grass decorations. And then mushroom grass floor is our mushroom one. So yeah, we'll open up both of those. Let me see. Do we have any other vines too? We have the vines tile map. Yeah, how's it going, Mr. Glick? Good morning. Yeah, these might look good actually as vines upside down. Just realized. Let me see. These are grass tiles. I think we only use the top ones for now, for the time being. I'm going to. Let's see. I'm gonna grab this sword because the sword kind of looks cool. Even the skull, like, yeah, we can randomize placing the skull too, to make my life easier. Wait, let me put this here. I think this one we use 8x8s. Whoops. View, configure grid. Show grid. Okay. We might need to. Oh yeah, the sword doesn't fit. I mean, maybe we can make it fit. Yeah, right now it's all 8x8s. Let me see. How does this look if we just cut it through? Yeah, it would look very weird. Yeah, it would have been nice if I kept it consistent, but there was so much grass that I didn't want to mess with it. Okay. Alright. We included all of those. Do I need chests? Oh, there's more. Is this just the same thing but retextured? No, it's completely different. Cool. Boom, boom. Oops. And the mushrooms, I might as well just throw into the what is this? Whatever. I'll throw these here. I wonder, are these the same? Do we have 3 pixel? Oh, cool. They have a unique look. That's just more variety for our tiles here. 16 by 16. Show grid. Okay. We do need to add an outline. So let me give it 1 pixel. Alrighty. Let's see. Usually do this. We'll do this, this, and this one. What is this? We have a dark. Could use maybe this one. I'm not that great at art, so let's just try this. Oh, that looks disgusting. Let me see this. Maybe? Why does it look so bad? Let me see. Oh, it's not too bad. Okay. This and this. And then maybe that. Is there another color? Let's see, is this good? Let's try that. Cool. Yeah, we'll replace the current file. Usually I like to stick, because the Alice has to use the full, like, width. I also don't really like these right here. I think they'd be better for a different chapter, so maybe I'll get rid of them. Put them here for now. You know, maybe they'll look good as, like, upside down tiles. Vine tiles. So I'll just grab this, put it here for the time being. And we have 2 more. We could copy another section here, put it here, so just just so it works. And yeah, I think these would look much better upside down. For what? I think Half Moon has been keeping me making me stay hydrated. That's good enough. I kind of like this actually. All right, so this looks pretty good. We'll save that. All of these can be ignored for now. Let's go back into this one. Let's see what else we got here. I think that's all we decided to use. Unfortunately, these won't work. These look like mushrooms, but I don't know what the hell this is supposed to be. Maybe it could work, though. Don't know what the hell it is, though. What the hell is it? But I think that, yeah, I feel like this could look like a corner piece. But wait. The only issue is that it doesn't it just cuts off here. It doesn't have it doesn't look seamless at all. If I can maybe... What the hell? I can't even erase anything. Oh, this is for chapter 3? It is for chapter 3. I'm not going to be working on it too much, though. I'm planning on working on chapter 3 for the next demo. I'm actually working on chapter 4 right now, but like while we're here, I was like, oh, might as well add some stuff for chapter 2. Sorry, for chapter 3. I don't want to keep going back to these files and scavenging stuff. Just gonna do it all now and then never come back. This also looks kind of cool. I don't know if I want to add this though. You can try. I'll have to update the colors though. This might look pretty good upside down actually for the vines of chapter 3. Maybe even this would look good for chapter 3. Let me add another layer real quick. Oh, we didn't even need another layer. I'll merge it down. What I could do is add another layer just so that we can color over it, see what we want. So like the lightest pink we're gonna use for this. Let's bucket it. Looks like doo-doo. Looks terrible. Alright, cool. At least now we know. We'll delete it. Yeah, these, I think, they might have potential, actually. Let me grab these. Is this the same? Yeah, it is. Okay. Wait, all of these are the same. Just grab one of them. Oops. This right here. Oops. I feel like the pink is too strong for this. Oh, what the? Ba-ba-da-ba-da. Still looks like crap. Yeah, let's try making this pink. And then just grabbing one of these purples. Oops, not this one. Yo, how's it going, Sticks? Good morning. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like this. Well, oh, you know what it is? It doesn't have a border yet. I think that's why I'm like reluctant to add it. Let's try that. This is a little too large. Here, let me try just expanding it a bit here, so we can cut it off. Yeah, I'm not sure if I like this. It doesn't. I'm not even sure what this is supposed to be. But maybe it'll look good. Maybe. Just put it in there. See what it looks like once we automate it. Kind of looks like spores, like upside down spores. Alrighty. Now we do need one more. Here, I'll just do this. Put this and flip it. Or, I'll just leave it the way it is. Okay. Back to chapter 3. Do we need anything here? Sorry, chapter 2. Is there, we have the pots. We could technically add this. We can automate placing those. Bit triangular because of gravity and time. Not backseating. Oh, I appreciate it. It's actually not supposed to be rocks. They're more supposed to be like spores, like spore-looking things. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not sure if that's how they look or how they will look once I put it in. I will be adding the rocks though. We have these rocks, and I might just copy the same ones and put them upside down as well. We'll see. Posture check. I just fixed my posture. Whenever I look, Memori has more sprites. Yeah. I think it's good to, like, I've been, I do some programming and then I do some art, or I scavenge for art, and I think it's a nice balance between the two. For sure. I think we grabbed these already. Oh. So yeah, these are kind of cool rocks. I'm going to grab them too. Put this in chapter... Okay, so we're going to have to actually update chapter 2, because right now all of the grass sprites that we're using are... they're all 16 by 6... sorry, 8 by 8s. But yeah, all of these are like... at least... 6... Let me see. Yeah, they're 16 by 16. So if I want to use it, I'll have to update. Well, we're not going to do it right now, actually. Or, I'll leave it there. Ibito, thank you. Why I'm here and awake. How are you? Yeah, why are you awake? Hi from Mexico. Hello. Ibito from Mexico. I'm from the US. Okay, so what are these? These look kind of weird. You told me to fix my posture, and I feel like my posture got worse since I did that. Is there anything else we want from this asset pack? Oh, this kind of looks cool. They kind of look like spores. Maybe we should make it look like the assets that we're currently. I forgot which ones we're using, but yeah, they kind of look like spores. Oh, you know, it would be nice if we have like a squish, like a, I don't know, like some sort of sound, like as if you ever stepped on a mushroom and it just turns into mush. Maybe we could do something like create a sound similar to that. Oh, these look really good. These are the rocks that Styx was talking about. These are all the same. There's is there a variety? No, there isn't. All right, we're gonna definitely use this. Okay. Love what you're doing. Thank you. I appreciate it. Is Stalag? I think someone mentioned that on stream before. Whoops. Oh yeah, I remember. And the floor. Oh, stalagmites are the floor ones, and then stalactites are ceiling ones. Is that what we're getting at? Have I tried Pixelorama? What's that? Buy orange. Is this a game? Or is this an asset? Is this like an Sprite alternative? It's a free and open source pixel art editor. I see. That's pretty cool. I'm very stubborn. Pixel. Oh, that's pretty cool. A pixel editor made in Godot. That's pretty cool. So no, I have not. I still use. I know I get flamed for it all the time, but it also just works for me. I use GIMP. Pixelorama looks pretty cool though. You know, I'll probably add it to my collection of. I'll just put this in private. We'll definitely have to check it out one of these days. But yeah, I mean, I have Sprite, but I just never use it. Flame, I mean, everyone uses. Yeah, it's more so just a joke, though. I mean, yeah, I get flamed, but yeah. It's because I do so much pixel art, you know, or I edit a lot of pixel art. I might as well start using Sprite, maybe. But yeah, I'm so familiar with GIMP, or like I know my way around GIMP. I'm sure there are some quality of life features that Sprite provides, but yeah. Honestly, yeah, I mostly just work in tile maps. I don't really make my own animations, or so like working in tile maps is relatively easy in Godot. I'm sorry, in GIMP. Okay. What's this? Are these rocks too, or is this some... What is this? I don't know what this is, actually. Is there anything else we need? Or anything else we want? These look kind of cute, too. People are creatures of habit. That's why we still have things that run on COBOL and MS. Yeah, exactly. I am definitely a creature of habit. And, yeah, GIMP just works for me. And I think the thing that I like about GIMP is that, like, I mean, I'm not like I don't really edit assets too much, but what I do like about it is that, like, I can do pixel art, and I can do more mushrooms, and I can do, you know, other things like you know, work on my Kickstarter page or something like that, you know. We're actually running out of space. We have so many assets now. Here, let me see. Which one is these are repeats, I think. This one, this one. Yeah, these are all repeats right here. So let's get rid of that. And I'll throw these in there. Oh, there's like a cool... Okay, wait, let me see. We go from light to dark to this light to this. Wait, let me see something. Use this one here, and then finally... Wait, let's actually paint all the colors here. This. Oh, wait, this is the same as this. Is there another color that we can use? I like to be... What? Oh, no. These are the same. I guess we can do this. And then we can do this pink. I guess that'll have to do. Yo, how's it going, Trady? A-Sprite is better, but if you're familiar with your workflow, then I agree. It probably is better, but in order for me to learn it, it would take too much time. I mean, maybe just like a month or so, but I'm so used to GIMP. I just use Krita for everything because then I don't have to click on a different animation. Alright, we need one more sprite. I guess I'll just copy... Oh, look, this is a duplicate right there. I'll just copy... Which one do I like the most? I'll just copy... Wait. No, okay, I was going to say, this looks very familiar. You know what? I'll just copy... No, I don't like this. Let me copy this one. There we go. A-Sprite is pretty simple to get used to. It's not like learning. Yeah, I'm sure the learning curve is also not even that steep. I'm just, I'm very stubborn. I'm so used to working with GIMP. Okay. Let me see. Is there anything else I need here? Started your pixel art journey with Photoshop. Nice. You have these like little... I don't know what they're supposed to be. I guess lights. They look pretty cool too. But we're gonna ignore it. And we also have these vases. We can automate placing these vases too. I'm just wondering if I want to. Shamelessly hydrating too. Yeah, I see it and then I like forget about it. And if you want to dedicate a couple of hours to learn A-Sprite, yeah. If I just dedicated a couple of hours to learning A-Sprite, you know, if I did animations, I would do pixel art animations. I would work on A-Sprite. Watch and follow a 20-minute tutorial and boom, you know A-Sprite. Yeah, we'll see. One of these days, I'll think about it. For now, we're gonna stick to GIMP. And honestly, the speed at which I would get something done, because I'm not really making my own assets, most of the times it's just, you know, me like copying and pasting things and then changing the color. It's relatively quick and easy. Oh, I think these could kind of look like spores too. We can kind of make it look like... oh, are these mushrooms? Or are these spikes? I think they're spikes. But they could totally pass as mushrooms. We just change the color. And these spores kind of look cool too. I never even thought about adding wall sprites. like wall decorations. We've only done like ceilings and stuff, but we could totally do it. We might think about adding like wall sprites to climb and stuff, maybe one of these days. For now, I think we've got a nice, decent collection for Chapter 3. Chapter 2 has a decent collection. We have to update. We have to make sure that these are all 16 by 16 rather than 8 by 8s. And all right, so everything here is good. Let's open up the next folder or next asset pack, which is let me see. It's gonna be the I think it's called the Metroidvania one. This one right here. Or we have 2 of these. We have all 3 of these. See if I can find it. Sprites. Metroid. Yo, how's it going, Devril? Good morning. Yay, decorations. Yeah. Where's our Metroid? Did I spell Metroid correctly? I did. Ooh. It's probably called something else. Oh no, it's called Metroidvania. Just open it up there. I'm not even part of the A Sprite Choir. But yeah, he can go. Yeah, I would have to know the yeah, exactly. I do know all the shortcuts, or most of the shortcuts for GIMP. That's why I like it. Because like every time I also have some other software it's supposed to be better than GIMP for sure. But yeah, the shortcuts is what kills it for me. I'm like, oh, I know exactly how to do this in GIMP. I don't know how to do it in any other software. So it's like it's very frustrating sometimes to open up. Mine, like we have a cart here. I wonder if I could include that somehow in the decorations. But yeah, the shortcuts are what get to me too. Oh, I just realized there could be like a falling platform right here. Would look pretty good actually. Like, or maybe even a one-way platform. I just realized, is this supposed to be on water? Like, well, I don't know why they did this. Is this supposed to be like a reflection in the in water of some kind? Because it is the same. Oh wait, is it the same? No, it's not. It's not the same. Never mind. I don't know what they were trying to accomplish with that. Yeah, let's just grab this. What the hell? Whoops. I'm pretty sure we already have this in our tile map, but we don't have it as an automated tile map, so that's why we're grabbing it now. And then we'll add this to the script. And we'll also have to change the colors. Oh, we also have to make sure that they're so right now these are all floor tiles. So I'm gonna actually grab this, put it down here, and this will be its own little section. Let me see what else we got. This right here. I'll grab both of these. It would be nice. I guess what we could do is also just grab all of these and flip it. I don't see the harm. I guess it would just be repetitive. Like it would be noticeable. But if we have so many different tiles, maybe it wouldn't be too bad. We'll see. I can probably try drawing. Like this is relatively easy to draw too. Maybe we can mess with that. But yeah, let's just grab a few. Definitely these we'll want to. Oh. We'll want to have the, what is it called? Stagmites? Forgot, but that's okay. Let's grab all of these. We have the red ones. We have these ores. Throw them over here. Okay. All right, we're gonna have to update the colors. Maybe I should have updated it. We can go here. Let's open up Apollo real quick. Okay. Image, mode, indexed. There we go. So yeah, these colors are horrendous, and in fact, it makes it worse for me to understand what the hell is going on. At least for some of them. Like this one is not too bad. So yeah, maybe we should color these manually. Okay. Yeah, let's do it. So we'll grab all of... Let's just do this. Every time I see a color that I like, a light color, I'll make it light blue. Add another layer. You know, I'll make them super simple right now, and then maybe we can add details later. Goddamn, I don't... Here, let's do this. I'll just select everything that I think will look good. Do. Oh, what the hell? I thought I shift-clicked everything. Our threshold is 0. Why is this? There we go. Is that everything? Do. Alrighty. Okay. I think the next easiest thing would be to just grab the darkest color. Alright. I don't think too many of them will be the darkest color. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. These, I think, will just be the next darkest color. Oh, and these here. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. The next one, I guess, will be this right here. And I assume it'll be this one here. Okay. Oh, we didn't select wait. Let me try this. Also want to put something for this purple one. Yeah, wait. You know, I'm also just gonna delete these for now because we're just gonna duplicate it later. Yo, how's it going, fourth page? What you been up to, man? I'm doing pretty good, I gotta say. I can't complain. I've been on like a pretty strict schedule lately with like streaming and stuff. Or, yeah, I tried to be. And it's been working relatively well, so I can't complain. But you lost 3 years of game dev due to a virus rip. Dang. You really? I actually don't remember you mentioning that. A virus as in, like, a computer virus? Or a virus like, Always Sunny virus?
The oldest pub in America. We have a variety of old liquors served in strange containers. We are packed with celebrities, the fun ones. We also have cockfights and strippers. And guess what? We don't have a sign. So good luck finding the place. But if you do, you'll be lucky. Because we also got donkey shows, motley crew, and cake. So spread the word to all of your friends. At Patty's Pub, you're guaranteed to catch a... virus.
So which kind of virus is it? Left on a hard drive from a computer transfer. Hadn't heard about version control until recently. Yeah. That'll do it. It was a computer virus. I see. Yeah, because around that time there was also a pretty popular virus that came out. All the kids were talking about it. Wait, you said... Wait, you said you just lost? You just lost it. Like, oh my god, 3 years. Dude, what the... Oh my goodness. That's how long I've been working on this game. I can't even imagine... I do a fair bit of game testing, so yeah. Yeah, I that's actually, I can see how that happens. I usually, like, the only thing that I do to, like, try to prevent that is by, like, I do, like, virus check. I don't even know if it works, but I run it anyway. Usually I tell people, yeah, I want a web version, but you know, I might even stop, like, unless I trust the person, I might stop doing downloaded versions just because it's just, no, it's not worth it. It literally passed the virus scan. Oh my goodness. Yikes. You're making me worried about, maybe I should, like, reinstall. I mean, I just switched to Windows 11. Hopefully maybe some stuff happened that way, you know, like, freaking maybe I did, I don't know. I'm always scared of, like, a keylogger or something being on my computer. But dang, I'm sorry to hear that. Don't trust them when you can't be sure of. Yeah. Fortunately, like, when you download, let me ask you this. When you did download it, was it a game? Like, did it pretend to be a game at all? Or was it like, oh, this is just broken? It was just broken from the start and did some shit to your computer immediately? Straight up went white screen and then crashed. I see. Okay. Alright, so that hasn't happened to me. I did have a game crash on me, but it was because of, like, I was spamming the input and I think they forced it to crash or something like that. But yeah. Very interesting. Dang, that sucks. That really does suck. And it was like, was it like ransomware? Is that what they were doing? They wanted to steal it, or was the then I got an email, blah blah. Oh yeah. Yeah, right. They wanted to keep your thing. Do you plan on like? I mean, I guess there's one. I would say there's one benefit to that, and that's you get to. Like personally, I feel like if something happened to my game, time to make a comeback and not break. Yeah, I was gonna say like, could be for the better. Maybe you'll get some better ideas. There are definitely some positives from it. Like worst, like if this happened to me, I feel like I would I would sort of embrace it. It would definitely hurt. Don't get me wrong, but like it does give you an opportunity to like just take things back from restart in a better way. Like there are some things that I regret with my game that I would love to just refactor right now, but I just don't have a reason to, like it's just not worth my time just yet. But it would be worth my time if I had to, or if I just had to restart. And just actualize a lot of things in a new light. Plus, I could also make even better music. So yeah, exactly. Yeah, how's it going, Destiny? You get a chance to rethink of the game, make better code, etc. Yeah, exactly. Literally on the same page. Exactly. And you'll learn to, who knows? You'll learn your lesson now with version control. And now it's not a 3-year problem, but it could have been a 6-year problem, or a 6-year setback. And now it's only a 3-year setback. That's still a lot. 3 years is a lot. I mean, that's how long I've spent on this game. So yeah, actually, I don't know. I was gonna say I'd be upset, but at the same time, like, wait, I think it's important to like accept it at that point. Like, if it has happened, just go with the flow. I also don't do version control. Oh, well, maybe you should start. I mean, GitHub desktop just makes it so easy. Literally just click a button. I did spend 2 hours debugging.
I think it's disgusting that you're working at this time on a Sunday. Have you got nothing better to do?
Okay. Did our music stop playing? What the hell's going on? Oh, there we go. Okay. Would go nuts without version control. I did start working on this game without version control. It wasn't until someone told me, like, I mean, I wasn't too far into it. I was like maybe 4 months into my game when someone told me that I should do some sort of version control. Fortunately, I've never had any issues. I've actually had more issues using GitHub, like more setbacks using GitHub when I first started using it. But yeah. What do we have left? All the purple ones. Okay, wait. We didn't use this color yet. So it's hard to keep track what needs to be done. What the hell? Oh. Okay. Oh, we never even edited. Oh, I think I must have clicked on the wrong one. There we go. That no data leakage of other people's games happened, I would have been devastated if that happened. I had like 3 games that I test installed at that time. I see. Yeah, that would have been. I mean, I think certain things are inevitable. Like people, stealing games and stuff. Especially like people that crack games and like make it torrentable. I don't think that's really like. I think that's just the nature of reality. Like people are gonna do that regardless. Like while it sucks, it's like there's no point on dwelling on it. You know what I mean? But yeah, to lose your progress, that's so. I don't know. I mean, yeah, people are obviously like cracking games is one thing, but like stealing people's hard work and then like trying to ransom it from trying to ransom it is like so fucked, If the game was deleted from your everything, how long do you think it would take you to remake it? It would still take me a long time to remake it from scratch. I would say probably, I don't even know. I would say maybe a year. Because there's a lot of things that go into it. Like, it's not even, like, programming it is one thing. Also, like, recreating, like, the subtle things. Like, I don't remember everything that goes into my game, So, like, programming it could be, like, the programming part is not the hard part. It's the, it's, like, figuring out, like how to balance everything. And also like optimizing and figuring out the correct structure of things. It's not like, I wouldn't say it's difficult, it's just tedious. And also like there's one thing that's kind of discouraging too, and it's like if you already know that you did this before and it's like, oh shit, now I have to do this again, I feel like that might be slightly discouraging. It would take me something between 4 to 8 months. Yeah, I mean, I spent already 2.5 years on my game. To be fair, yeah, I think it's just that there's a lot of level design that goes into it. There's a lot of like subtle things that it's not just programming. It's like there are some design things that just take a lot of time to do. I think the art is technically kept forever. I mean, I own the assets on itch and stuff. Technically I could lose the assets, but I'm trying to think, should we keep it like this? Sleep time, it's already 1 a.m. Alright, sounds good. I'll see it. See ya, fourth page. Thanks for sharing your experience. Hopefully it's a learning lesson for anyone else on the stream to maybe use some version control, or just back up your work in some way if you really don't want to use version control. I'm talking to you, Mr. Glick, and anyone else. Did I miss anything? Worked full-time, so it made... Oh, I see, yeah. It may take a long time. Dang. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop downloading people's games. Nah, surely it would never happen to me. Yeah, probably not. Why would it happen? Why would it happen to you? What are the chances that it would happen to you? It's so unlikely. Okay, so we have only 2 blues here, and I think this is the second one, right? So we need, what is this? I feel like I did already paint over this, I guess. What's this one? Yeah, I feel like, okay, yeah, we did. What's this blue right here? I feel like we must have just selected this layer accidentally because, yeah, these colors are correct. Okay, cool. Let me see what else we got here. Yeah, these are all correct. What is this? What's the next color over? This one. Okay. And all of these are super bright. Let's try this. Okay. Oh, wait, what the hell? I thought we just edited this. Maybe not. To be honest, my game is basically done. I just need to make levels and update the art. Yeah. And, trying to think, what else do you need to do? I think you do need some people to playtest your game. I'll playtest your game. Yeah, I do think you need some people to playtest it. It's good to have a hard game, but also you want to make sure you don't have an impossible game. In my humble opinion, that is. Oh wait, this is way too bright. Or sorry, way too dark. We want. Let me see. Yeah, we want this one. Oops. No, I want the impossible game. All right. Okay. We have this like light blue, very light blue. Looks kind of like a like glaciers. Kind of have this color, I feel. Boom, 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 and then the next color. I guess we'll just use this one. Looks a little too pale. Let's see if it looks good. Okie dokie. Also, yeah. Usually we use this as our border texture, but it's, I mean, maybe we could make it look like that. Yeah, we'll cut out this piece. That's pretty good. $60 hours, no save. Oh my god. Alright, good. Hopefully you don't get any, death threats. Which color? Is it this one? There we go. Nice. Okay. I think we're done. Oh, wait. This right here. And I believe this is the correct blue. No, it's not. But we have this one. Desnetti, thank you. I feel like I've seen you before, but thank you for following this time. Ascore's theme is the best Undertale. I actually don't know what's my favorite. Undertale song. But Ascore is pretty good. Level 1 is on Discord. You're gonna make me upset right now. I already know. Alright, how are the hitboxes? Are they just as unfair as they were in the first one? Or were you slightly nicer this time? Which one? Okay. We got all of our floor sprites. Let's make some ceiling sprites now. They're the same. No. No. I told you no, Jack. I told you the one thing that you need to do is not do that, and the game would be good or better. Beat it on first try. You can try to beat it on your first try. It's unlikely though. You will rage. I promise you. Can't believe, wow, I feel like this took so long to make. I think it's worth it though. I think they look really good. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this though. Like, see how we have like, they're kind of the they're kind of the same thing. Oh shit, wait. Guess we'll put it here. We didn't actually make outlines for all of the textures. Oh, just one it seems actually. Can I post it? Yeah, you can post it. If you want death threats from people watching the stream, sure, post it. Okay. Shit. Are there any? Yeah, okay, these need to be updated. Just gotta push these to the oh, shit. Anything else? I think everything. Oh, this one right here. Cool. And we have these candles. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put them. Like, we can put them there. And low-key, I actually do like them. I would like to create more variations of this too. I think this looks really nice. The sharp ones. But for now, let's just. Yeah, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna spam these. Spam this. Alrighty. Get rid of this. So yeah, these are our grass sprites. These are our ceiling sprites. Call this tile map. Do I put it here? Grass decorations. Okay, so we'll call this frozen. It's actually both. Frozen. I'm gonna separate the file names. So frozen grass tile map. But I'm also going to export it as frozen vine tile map. Because eventually we might add like a bunch of, varying, like this would be its own file, this would be its own file, because we'll have so much variation in them. You beat it on the first try. Nice. Hell yeah. Congratulations. Oh man, my arm is killing me. 301. Okay, so I feel like I spent like an hour just making 20 assets. It'll all be worth it then. All right, so let's go into I think we've automated the process. There's a few things that we need to do in our auto tile though. We have to match what the actual tile is. So I believe is it this one? Is this the one that we use? Honestly, I feel like I'm going to update the ice to look more like ice, because right now this looks nothing like ice. Alright, yeah. So we'll do that. Wait, what tile was that? Blue Celestial Brick is called 21. So let's go into the vine. We'll get the vine index. 21 is going to return, I believe, 6. It's the next one. And this is for the vine. We also have a grass index. Get grass index. Whoa, oh shit, I already forgot what it was. Was it 21? Index. Get vine index was okay, yeah. 21 will return 7. Oh, you technically can beat the game. If you there's a technically skip button. So he could technically beat it. Okay. So that's that. Return 6, return 7. All right, now let's go into our vines tile map. So we'll just throw in the frozen one. Frozen vine. This will be for this one first. So we'll do a new atlas. We do have to edit the snap option. So this is all 16 by 16. And the subtile size is 16 by 16. We'll redo it. Okay, we're going to separate them now because it just helps with editing them later when they all have their own tile. When they all have their own image, I mean. All right, so that's that. This is this. We'll do a new LS. Whoops. There we go. Let me just make sure we got the indexes correctly. This is 6, and this is 7. Okay. Alrighty. You know, actually, I'm hoping that's all we have to do, actually. Let's see. So if we grab our auto tile, if I was intelligent or smart enough to make this work, I would have. Oh, cool. So the ceiling ones work. The grass one doesn't work yet. I think because maybe we have maybe a loop or something checking for grass. Let's see grass. Get grass index. We return 7. Add grass to tile map. We're matching. We have a match statement here that does some shenanigans here. This is the add grass to tile map function. Yeah, we're doing something crazy here. I guess we could just copy this if we really wanted to. Maybe we'll want to do some other things, like maybe we could just say if get cell. Could say this. Get cell v of cell is equal to 17. We do this, and then we could do this, and I think it'll just work. There is a problem. It wouldn't be a problem, actually. So we run it, and there we go. Cool. Now we have a bunch of assets that we could use. That's so cool. We added grass. So yeah, this will work now everywhere. I'm trying to think if we want to add light nodes to this. We would probably not put it in this sprite sheet then. It would be separate because they would be their own light. Also, we might want to remove this from being on the ceiling, but such a small. Oh, yeah, okay. Well, I almost got scared. Practical development. Okay. So yeah, I actually haven't opened chapter 4 this whole time. I think it'll be fine. Or I mean, we'll just mess. We have to add this to every single chapter. We also, I don't know what this is. Let me see. Frozen furniture. Okay, yeah. So we have frozen furniture currently in our game, but I'm reluctant to use it now because we're just gonna use our auto tile, and bang, boom. Oh, this looks terrible. They are 16 by 16s, and because there are gaps, this happens. Let me see. I want to make sure they're on the left side. Interesting that, It's a 16 by 16, and it's because it's flipped. So we might not want to flip these textures, or we would want to check if it's a valid spot to put it, if we do flip it. So we can do that now, I guess. But I also don't like these candles here. We're actually going to remove them. But yeah, in our script, let's update it real quick. So let's go into auto tile. I don't remember if we check it here. Let me see. I mean, we say if blah, blah, blah. Wait, this is on at grass. If getCellV plus vector2.up is equal to -1, then we do this. But we're also going to check if well, only if this happens. If we flip it, if we want to set flip to true, then we would have to check, or we can make it so that there needs to be 4 tiles below, or 2 tiles below in order for this to work. We could say if, we could also just say and if getCellV of cell plus vector2 vector2 dot right, what the, vector2 dot right plus vector2 dot down is equal to -1. Or sorry, does not equal to -1. This should, yeah, this would be, so I think that would be it. This is specifically only, let's see, there we go. So yeah, now we don't have anything that spawns in here. Maybe I do want to allow this to happen, but only, no, actually it's good that it doesn't happen because we have 16 by 16 images, so like technically something could spawn here and it would look weird. So it's good that we're actually checking for the bottom. And in fact, we should actually check for the size before, instead of checking for vector 2, we should check for the minimum size. But our minimum size right now usually is 2 tiles. And I'm probably going to keep it that way. Anything larger than 2 tiles would probably not be automated. We would probably just want to, place it ourselves, or maybe run a different function for that. So I'll leave it the way it is for now. We are going to update this as well. This is right now for our grass tiles, which are in the 8x8 tiles. I'm trying to think if there's anything that we can do about that though. They would be 16 by 16. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not gonna worry too much about it right now. I'm trying to think if there's any other case. Plus vector 2 dot right. Technically, we can have it also be. I'm trying to think what's the other. There's like one other edge case. So it's like, oh, paint is different now. What the hell? What the hell is this? Okay. So wait, this was one edge case where we had our sprite here, and it was like this. The other edge case is if it's like this, and we have a sprite like this. And it's actually, oops, what the hell, man? And it like drips over here. We can, I guess we could just check if vector 2 dot right. We could also say this. This not equal -1. So yeah, we're checking for vector 2 dot. And also say this vector 2 dot right is equal to a -1. There we go. That's all edge cases. I'm in it now. It's just my name. Are you talking about the Discord? So there's a thing that I do now with Discord is you have to go into the channels and roles, and I'm pretty sure, actually, oh, it should be fine. Should be able to join. Oh yeah, you're here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. All is well. Cool. Is there anything else I need to do now? We could start converting chapter 2's auto tiling. Oh wait. Do we want to remove this? Low-key, yes. I will keep it. Oh shit. This is frozen vine tile map. I'll keep it around. I'll keep it here for now. On the bottom. Oh wait, this is not even the right one. I'll leave it the way it is. Let's open up the grass. Frozen grass tile map. Bum, 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 bum. Frozen grass. Have to head out now. Have a wonderful day / rest of your stream. Alright, I'll see you. Half Moon. Peace. You too. One more hydrate for the road. Okay, this is the frozen grass. View, show grid, and I'm just going to honestly copy this. I'd like to create more variations with this texture, but we'll do it later. Is there anything else? I'm wondering, like, do we have any other tiles that we would possibly want to add to this tile map? Because we do, yeah, we could add it. Like, there's no harm in it. There's like this. This looks kind of cool, but it also looks kind of weird. Jack, you are slowly hating my game and seeing it everywhere. The thing is, Jack, I've always hated your game. So nothing has changed. I'm kidding. But it is rage-inducing. Because it doesn't feel fair, but that's not a you problem, that's a me problem. This game is actually better than Memori because it has smiling faces. True. That's all it takes, really. Just need oh, you know what would be cool? A green skull. A frozen skull. Might as well add it. Wait, I wonder if the ice, maybe we'll do that. So we'll do something like this. Bum 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 bum. Let's see how this looks. Hopefully, I should have done this on a different layer, but it is what it is. Something like that, and then I'll grab all of these colors here. So our skull. Actually, I'll use this for the lightest color. Then this one. And then maybe this one. Don't know if I like this. Maybe with a little bit of border, it'll look. Oh, what the hell? This looks so dark. It's kind of cool. Kind of like it. Dig it. Collected all the blue things in the 3rd level. Oh, look at that. There's more. But wait, there's more. If you order now, you can get a free something. These look pretty good actually. I'm glad we grabbed them. We'll have to update the colors. It's just what the hell? Oh, we want to fill whole selection. There we go. The next one is this. We'll just select the next darkest color, which is apparently this one. Then the next one, which is it this one? Whoops. Can't even tell. I assume it's that one. Nope. That one? I guess so. And then finally, is it this one? There we go. And then we have two pixels right here. I'm just gonna fill that up. And also we have to. Oh, you know what? Oh, wait. This will do that. Free Memori playing cards. Boom, 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 boom. I think this is a good Undertale song too. Fallen Down. Boom, 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 boom. You know, I feel like this is the same one as this one, but for some reason this one looks so much better. But I'm doing the same thing. They did reuse, like, they colored it differently though. Let me see, maybe I'll do the same thing here. Which one was that? Was this one? Maybe I should make it darker. Do 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 do. Kind of like this actually. Yo, how's it going, Titan? I'm always surprised to see you on stream now, and I'm like, oh, Titan, like, you're up late, or like, you know, you're not supposed to be around here. And I realize, you know, I'm actually the one who's at a weird hour, who's up at a weird hour. How's it going, Titan? How's the game coming along? I think this would be really cool if we also made this into like a Frozen statue. Yeah, I figured since I was spending my afternoons working on my game and stuff anyway, I might as well stream it. Yeah. No, that makes complete sense. That's a great idea. No, we'll include it later. I think it's a good idea, like, to add. We can add, since we don't have a lot of these things in our game, might as well put them into this chapter. Alright, is there any other assets that we can use? Let me see. I do like this, like, minecart looking thing, but don't know if it actually makes sense to have in the game. Or like it would just be sitting on its own, so like I feel like it's kind of weird. Let me also try, just realized, we could also convert to our color palette. This is for the grass, okay, cool. I would love to create some variation in this too. Let me see if we can do that. Like, maybe ones without this. Whoa, what the hell? That was weird. Boop, boop. 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 I'm not much of an artist. I'll try my best to, maybe we can do like different combinations of these two together. And hopefully that'll look kind of good. I feel like this would look cool if they were flipped. Oops. This looks kind of cool. Let's keep it like that. And then I was thinking, whoops, do something else like this, but we'll flip this one horizontally. And we could even, I was gonna say I could stack them on top of each other, but I think it'll look weird. It looks kind of cool. Whoa. Okay. Let's make a few more. Yo, how's it going, Heston party? What you been up to, man? Good rabbit? Call me rabbit? Oh, gotcha, okay. Yeah, that's a nice little collection we've got going on here. Oh, I should save these for... me also grab these and put it in the next one, in this one right here. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. What the hell? Where are these not allowed? Oh, there we go. Boom. Cool. This is for the vine tile map. We've got a decent amount here. I do like these too. Maybe we could technically grab these for the bottom ones as well. Let's leave it the way it is for now. Let me update these real quick. Auto tile. Let's open up the vine tile map. There we go. So here's what it looks like. What is it? 21? Yeah. Oh wait, what happened to our bottom ones? You know, yeah, wait a second. Are we getting any, doesn't have a tile with ID. Tile set doesn't have a tile with ID 13. Did I set it to 13 accidentally? Let me see. Grass index, return on 21, return 7. See what this is returning. It is returning 7. Let's try it again. Hey, what the hell? We just had it working like 2 seconds ago. Does your game have a vignette? No. Actually, it does have something, but not a filter, like nothing that's like on the game consistently. What the hell? Where's our vines? We just had our vines working, and now all of a sudden, oh, my the script that we wrote for auto tile, we said and something. Maybe that's what screwed us over. Let me see. And something vector2.right is equal to -1. And get cell of cell plus. Oh yeah. What we want is plus vector2.up. That's why. And there we go. So we get all of these new tiles now. They kind of look cool. We get it both on the ceiling and on the floor. I'll have to see if that looks good. Like maybe we would want to create some sort of variation with the two. Like maybe only spikes on the ceiling and then these on the floor. But let's see. Let me go back into auto tile. Let's delete all of this. Why not? It's a good idea to have. I just haven't added it. I do have something, like we do have a vignette right here. I just don't really, I use it for the screen shake at the moment, but I don't have something that's consistently on the game. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's go into level manager real quick. For a screen shake, yeah, because when the screen shakes, it shows part of like, because like, you know, my rooms are like this size. Like let's say a room is the size of the camera, or like or within the bounds of the camera. If you're shaking the screen, you start seeing the other sides of the room, and then sometimes, you know, sometimes we have parallax exposed or something. So I add a vignette to like block it. Okay. So it should work. No? Let's just boom. We get random tiles. We get so many on the top. I should probably just fix that now so that way I don't have to go back to these rooms. Eventually, I know eventually we're gonna have to come back and delete them. The temple furniture, is this the one that we use? Okay, yeah, let's make sure we just delete all of the... I'll just delete this node, actually. And I wonder if I should put this on the... higher on the Z index. Or at least above the furniture. What's our furniture on? Furniture... Temple furniture, furniture temple. Let me just delete this for now. Wait, let me just make sure I'm not using it. We are technically using it, but I'm gonna delete it anyway. The Z index of this is on 1, and then the vine tile map is on 0. We're going to, I think we're gonna set this to 1. Why is it still not showing? Oh, could do that. Could say it to relative. This might mess with things, but I don't care. For now, we'll see. Keep it like this. Looks pretty cool. Let's fix this right now. Make sure it's not on the bounds. I'll regret it later. Otherwise, so just grab grass. This is on auto tile. Grab grass. Add grass to tile map. Yes. We'll basically just say what if cell what the hell? Cell.y is equal to, what is it? Cell min? Cell max? We could do both. I think it's supposed to be max though. Does not equal cell max. When do we set cell max? We do it on the ready. Hopefully we do it before then too. Let's see. Just make sure. There we go. Wait, what the hell? It's not even on the cell max. Did I say is equal or not equal to? What the frick? Operands, auto tile, invalid weapons, float, and vector 2. What? Auto tile 2, 394. Line 394. Is that what we just did? Cell.y, 394. Cell.y does not equal cell max. Float and vector 2, interesting. I mean, I guess we can just say, it's supposed to be .y, okay. Let's see if that fixes it. There we go, okay, cool. Alright. So we can do this in every room in Chapter 4 now, and I think it'll be pretty good. Let's get rid of any furniture. Let's see. This is here. I don't know why. Maybe... See, fine. Oh, okay. Yeah, we used it already. Cool. Boom, 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 boom. I probably won't do this all on stream, like the editing of the... I mean, it's literally just the click of a button. This room, like the frozen furniture, we gotta get rid of. Originally, I was gonna... I don't know what I was thinking. I guess maybe I was just testing it out. Yeah, it's so much easier to just spam this stuff. And it adds so much life to the game, I think. I want to add it to more, but I also want to test it out. Oh, we gotta make sure that it doesn't spawn. I think it has potential to spawn on these tiles as well. Wait, let's see. I think it technically has potential to spawn on these tiles, but so far it hasn't happened. We want to make sure it doesn't, though. Let's see what happened here. What happened here? Nope. Maybe I am checking. Oh, yeah, we are checking for a specific tile. So it would never happen, actually. Okay. Let me try to see what other rooms could potentially look good or potentially look bad with this mechanic or with the current state. Oh my god, I love it. I love the way it looks. I wish there was a quicker way for me to do this instead of having to click on each room. I wish I could just. I technically could, but I'm lazy. I'm trying to think, how would we make this work? Because we wouldn't be able to. I think we could actually make something to save it, but it might be a little too much work at the moment. Most rooms do need their own, like, you know, love and attention. So ideally what I should be doing is editing each of these rooms and doing this. Like, you know, we add the stuff and then we edit the room at the same time. Right now I'm kind of just speed running this because I just want to see what it looks like in game. Or I want to see how cool it could look. Yeah. Okay. Let me do this. Let me see if there's any other rooms that I think will look really cool with this. Probably. Oh, this one's good. I think we did this one already. Let me close some of these rooms. Oh, shit. Here, let's just run it. Tileset doesn't have a tile with ID 21. Have to look into that. It's currently saving everything, I guess. Hurry up, please. Oh, what the hell? We commented everything out and didn't. There we go. I assume everything is saving. Hopefully it doesn't take that long all the time. But yeah, look at that. We got, like... This looks pretty cool. Some decent... Oh! The Z index is like... It's like above the player. Probably want to change that. For sure. I'll probably want to change that. But it looks pretty cool. Give me, let's see. So we made it not relative, or we made it, yeah, we made it relative. Yeah, we'll change that. We'll make it Z not as relative. We'll set it to 1, or maybe we'll set it to 2. And then for our furniture tile map, let's just see what that is. The Z index is 1 and not relative. Okay, I think that should fix everything. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, there we go. You can see we still have the old banners, but those will be removed. Also, I haven't seen the minecart yet. Oh, what the hell? This room is kind of crap. as you can see here, did we edit this room? Why is there vines here? We must have not edited this room. I think we're gonna update the tile map too. I think it could definitely use some improvements. God dang. Yo, Else Dragon. Else Dragoon. How's it going, man? What'd you guys do today? Was this is this an NES stream? I'm not sure what your schedule was like. Going well, so sleepy? Oh yeah, I bet. I'll give you a shout out in the meantime. Today's all crunch for the RPG project. Gotcha. Shout out. Else Dragoon. I don't usually stream at this time. Yeah. Yeah, I remember I actually think I saw you streaming earlier and I was like, oh, well, it's relatively late. Well, yeah, maybe get some sleep, man. I assume... I actually don't know what time zone you're in. I'm on the East Coast, so this is like my... I have some pretty... These are my, like, normal degenerate hours. PST, I see, okay. So it's still... I would say it's still pretty early. Relative to me, it's still pretty early. It's almost 4 a.m. for me. Currently just doing some art stuff. Got a thing at 8 a.m.? Well, thank you for the raid. I'm sure you probably want to go to bed soon. For anybody interested, Else Dragon works. He's working on a board game, but he's also working. He also does some NES game development. It's pretty cool, actually. He does it with Roland. It's pretty cool. Oh, do you have any? I have an Instagram and a Discord. I think I'm on your Discord actually. But yeah. Thank you for the raid, man. I'm probably gonna chill for a little bit longer and then head out. We're gonna do another stream in like 7 hours or something. Or wait, no, in 9 or 10 hours. We'll see how things go. I've been trying to do 4 and 4 lately. But yeah, we got this working. I think I'm gonna see what else can we do. Talk to you later. All right, peace, man. Yeah, we didn't do any level design, but I'm gonna save that probably for the next stream. Let me see. Figure out spinning orb mechanic. Chapter 4, more rooms. Include chapter 2 mechanics. Include vines and grass. We did that. Ability to climb moving objects. That's gonna be, honestly, I don't think this is ever gonna happen, to be honest. And it's not even necessary either. Dart traps. I think dart traps would be pretty cool, but it's not. Again, it's not a necessary mechanic, and it's. I wonder what potential it could have. It's like. It's basically the same as fire traps. It's just a longer distance. But there's really no level design around it. I think the only thing that I would do with it is maybe like I don't know, like there'd be some timing elements to it. But I usually don't like including timing in my games, or like force the player to time themselves around outside mechanics. Usually time is based on themselves. But we'll see. Maybe we could do something clever that isn't punishing. We'll see. Rope swing, double dash orb at chapter 1. Add more intro rooms. Add reactive spikes to chapter 1. Yeah. Yeah, we'll do chapter 2, chapter 4 designs. For now, let's call it there. Let's see who is online. We got Bad Cop, we got Casual Nerding, we got Mercenary, we got Groovy Man, we got Auroral Games, Proton, and Maui. I don't think I've ever read. I actually don't even know much about Groovy Man, but maybe we'll go for them. They are working on a game. Yeah, let's do it. Alrighty, people. Thank you for watching. If you guys are interested in wishlisting and playing the demo, you can find it there. If anybody wants to join the Discord, that's this right here. Discord. Alrighty, people. Gonna raid. Till next time, I'll be back on in like 9 hours or so. See how things go. Peace.